Alright, hello everyone, FFDev here, and in today's video, I'm going to get straight to the point. So, I know most of my videos are geared towards becoming a game developer or being a low-level game developer using C++ and SFML or other libraries, but I plan on working on a new project. I know I haven't posted in a while, I've been trying to figure out what to do. I'm going to be posting a path, like a roadmap, on how you can become a software engineer. But in this path, you have your choice to make applications or making games. Making games are going to be part of it, and it's going to start with low-level frameworks, and it'll probably go even lower to OpenGL. So if you ever want to become a software engineer or you're looking into that, I suggest you follow this roadmap. It's going to be structured and put together and have all the resources that you need to become a software engineer and to build a portfolio to make yourself applicable and hireable. So a lot of these resources will be posted in my Discord. Some will be a lot of videos will be on YouTube. But if you want to keep up and have all the information and hands-on support, join the Discord. It's going to be in the description below. And thank you guys for coming and checking this out. And I look forward to seeing you who show up. All right. You guys take care. See you soon. Bye.